Namaste. Welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are going to practice Tadasana or palm tree pose. This asana is actually very simple and very relaxing for the body, and it's absolutely safe to be practiced in all trimesters. Just one needs to take care if there is too much of fluid retention or too much of soreness in the feet, then this can be avoided. Otherwise, this will actually in turn help prevent fluid retention or leg cramps if the woman is in a regular normal pregnancy conditions. And at the same time, it also helps the whole body give a very good stretch, and hence just gives you a very feeling of relaxation in the body as the whole muscles get stretched and relieves tension. It also straightens the spine, stretches the spine, and hence relieves any tension from the spine and the upper back. Also loosens the shoulder, allows the shoulder and arms to stretch and loosen that any stress accumulated in the shoulder area at the same time. It is stretching your legs, your calf muscles, and hence giving a very good massage, internal massage to the lower area and helping the legs to strengthen up. At the same time, it also stretches your side. A slight abdomen also is stretched and gives you a good side stretch at the same time. And if you lift the feet off the ground, it also asks for maintaining a bit of balance, hence creating a good impact on your nervous system at the same point in time. And as your whole body is stretching, this also helps relieves any gases from the body, hence helping you in better digestion and relieves constipation also at the same time. So these are the benefits of this asana. Now, just being mindful that once, if you are also suggesting to lift the heels in while stretching the whole body, it can be difficult for some women to maintain the balance. So just, if she is comfortable, ask her only to lift the heels off the floor, only if she is comfortable balancing. If not, then keep the feet grounded on the floor. That's it. Otherwise, this is good and safe. So let's practice this. Simply keeping the feet together, we interlace both our hands together, we stretch it up. This is the simple version, giving the body a good stretch, long and deep breathing. Focusing on relieving any tension from the back, upper back, shoulder area, stretching the arms completely, allowing the legs to fully stretch, calf muscles to stretch, sides to stretch. Now adding the heels, lifting the heels off the floor helps a bit more, but only lift the heels as much as is comfortable and is okay for the woman to keep the balance. Giving the good stretch to, and as you're lifting the heels, it's toning your calf muscle as well, giving a good stretch to the hamstring muscles and the entire leg, relieving any soreness, cramps from the legs, and releasing. Make it a very relaxing posture for her. Ask her to nurture her own body and receive this asana as a very a posture which helps you relieve all the tension of the day. So just remind her to use this asana to relieve all her tensions of the body, stretching it out and letting it go. It's a good way, and keeping few words as reminders to relieving stress, anxiety, and fear from the body is a very good idea. Use the asana as mindful reminders. Use the asanas as tool to her mind to keep reminding her that this is a journey that she's carrying, and it can be a powerful one, and her own body is her own assistant in this process. So just use the asana for this, and it will make a more valuable journey for her. Thank you.